Hi everyone, it's Mr. Laughter Lover again this evening. I've got some load of dishes in the dishwasher and it's a whirlpool 6 cents power clean. This kick plate might need replacing because I took the guarantee over because it needs recalling. Because it's actually on recall because the guarantee can tell you it. Whether it uses recall fire effective or not. The guarantee can tell you. And I'd love to spray this kitchen look. I don't know what yeah, I just feel successful. When I make the videos, I've more videos to make. I'm not that busy here. I'm not talking power. So I'm just delighted how many videos I can make. I think I'll just see if I can upload enough tomorrow. I'm just gonna have a think about at the end of the night. I will. I'll think about you guys, how many views I'm getting. It depends on. Lots of people. I've been sharing videos a lot recently because I like to thank the whole of you guys for making the videos for us all. So I'll do a special video for it. Thank you all for watching my videos. I'll do a video about that at some point. That's what I'm thinking about. But I will. I absolutely will. Yeah, and I'm just saying, there's no need to go to what I'm doing in the kitchen. Sissy after the break, froze it. Almost seen a bit.